Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Oba of the Egguns. Prayer. Alpha eri oba asese ni orun agbonawo kwarsa. Obaso eri peri awo oda iyebu. Adifa fun olofin tinse oko abutun. Wonigui ololele jun parugo ki ayebe wundia. Ifa maba ekukuk bogbo ise ati wahala. Eleri leyi obinre nigba bo iguiripa dunkolebo. Adale fegarubo kalopo aya koigba ede. Dolopo kosimo penojo mazani awo irun. Omote ati avon egun nitu urumbo. Warive igbabu omi okannimu. Awon digun voyiti egun mosi. Omu omiti osi niba. Ebani polu titik bogbo igba. Omo bibin nigba. Omo birin omi fun egun oba agba. Beyin bore kafere fun runmila.
Translation. The arrow witness of the king of the primordial order in heaven, the great sacrificial ram of Wasa, the king who perfects the witness, priest of the first foundation. Ifa divination was performed for Olofun as he prepared to set out for the Abutun work field. Behold the sacred Olole, robed in leopard skin. Let no slander or deceit ruin the maiden's honour. Ifa, do not spoil all labours and struggles. Bear witness to this woman as she pounds the sacred guripa, preparing the offering. With cutlass in hand, the elder bends to clear the bush. Her chest bears many beads. The wise do not indulge idle words. Countless ones are remembered on the sacred day when the priest's hair is adorned. The maiden and the ancestors dwell in the land of Arumbo. Pour gently from the gourd, so one drop of water touches the nose. The spirit guardians look on. The Eggun keep watch. The milk of the left breast is there, nurturing power, purity. May we remain bound together for all time. At the time of the lineage child's birth, let the daughter present cool water to the great king of the Eggun. Afterwards, make offering and give thanks to Orunmila.
Premier suyere chant. Batun omaka odara anse omulode igba figba ise komi ase omolode. Second sayere for giving water to the Eggun. Oba fi omo ise omikobi ose omolode ase omolode. Third sayere to dismiss the Eggun. Yile igbi emonije ije oragun. Patakin, sacred story. Olofun was planning to marry a beautiful young woman, the purest maiden in the land, the daughter of one of the town's weaver women. Fearful of failure in this marriage, Olofun sent for the most famous Awo, Ifa priest, in the land of the Yesa, and the most renowned in the land of Iyeba. These Awos cast Ifa and revealed this Odu, prescribing Ibo so that his betrothed would not die before becoming his wife, and so the dowry he gave would not be in vain. But as he was indecisive by nature, Olofun didn't follow through with the sacrifice. Instead, he rushed to set a wedding date. The bride, on the eve of the wedding, went with her agba, gourd, to wash her clothes, unaware that this was the day when the Agun, ancestral spirits, walked the riverbanks. Then, the Ba of the Agun devoured the young woman and continued on his way. Esu, who had been hiding nearby and saw everything, ran to the girl's mother's house and told her everything. The mother, who was a powerful sorceress, took her loom spindle and rushed out to find the Agun. When she caught up to them, she began to sing. Eile igbe omonije, omo oragun.
Translation. The child has eaten. The child has eaten. The child of Ochagum.
The Eggun responded that they were not the ones who devoured her daughter. She began to destroy all of them one by one, until she reached the Dalpa of the Eggun, who said, "I am the one who devoured your daughter." The mother then fought him until she destroyed him, along with his 20 crowned heads. The Ba of the Eggun collapsed onto the earth, and when he was finally destroyed, it was too late. The young woman was already dead. And so, the word of Orunmila and of Ifa came true. Note, Ifa says that the Awo of this Odu must give Awunku, a goat, to Asu, so that he does not lose his woman or his wealth. Furthermore, he must always maintain a jikara, calabash bowl, filled with omitutu, cool water, in the Igba of Eggun for the Abba of the Eggun.